dear children. Welcome back to our English class. This is Elsa teacher. Have you read the story about Bruno and Sachin? Yes. Shall we begin our today's class? Yes. We saw that Sachin and Bruno was playing with a ball, and when a fish seller came, Bruno runs out of the gate, and Sachin and his father was in search of Bruno, and we can see they were talking with a woman who tells them that Bruno ran towards a park, and in the park we can see Bruno was playing inside the park. Then we saw that Sachin and father was inquiring about Bruno with a boy in the park, and we saw that Bruno was near a balloon man, and he tried to catch a balloon and it burst, and at that time Bruno started running away and he was very frightened. Now let's see what happens next. Yes, we can see in the picture Sachin and his father was standing near a balloon man. So, can you guess what will be they speaking to that balloon man? Yes, as usual, they will be asking about their puppy. And will he be happy, that balloon man? Of course not, right? He will be very angry because, yes, our Bruno burst one balloon. So, shall we read the story? You have to keep your finger on the line, okay? Balloon man, did you see a puppy? Sachin asked. Was it your puppy? It burst one of my balloons. He looked quite angry. Sorry, uncle, we'll pay for it. It's all right. I saw your puppy in front of the vegetable shop. Where is the vegetable shop? Sachin asked. Go straight, then turn left, said the balloon man. Thank you, uncle, Sachin said. So we saw that the balloon man was very angry because Bruno broke his balloon. And which is the new word here? Pay. Yes, pay means giving money for something, right? When we go to shop and all, we will pay for something. So here Sachin is offering payment because his pet burst his balloon man's balloon. Now let's discuss one activity here. Look at the picture. Sachin and Bruno are doing something, right? Say what they are doing and write them down. One is done for you. In the first picture, we have two doing words. Which are they? Pat and bag. So, the sentence is like, Sachin is patting Bruno. We added ing with the verb pat. So, Sachin is patting Bruno. In the next sentence, we can see Bruno is wagging his tail. So, with the verb wag, it is added, ing is added. So, the verb becomes wagging. So, we have to complete the blanks given here. In the second picture, what can you see here? Here, two doing words are given. Which are they? Read it. Yes, run and jump. Who is running? Sachin is running. And who is jumping? Yes, Bruno is jumping. So, we have to use the ing form of these verbs. So, Sachin is running and Bruno is jumping. In the third picture, we can see two verbs. Which are they? Read and roll. So, who is reading? Yes, Sachin is reading, and who is rolling a ball? Yes, Bruno is rolling a ball. So, the verbs will be read plus ing, reading, and roll plus ing, rolling. In the last picture, two verbs are there, kick and sleep. Who is kicking? Yes, Sachin is kicking a ball. And who is sleeping? Yes, Bruno is sleeping on a mat. So the verbs will be, are kick plus ing, kicking, and sleep plus ing, sleeping. So you have to copy down these answers into your textbook. Remember, you have to copy down all these answers of this activity to your textbook. Now let's discuss the notes of this part. One new word is the pay, means give money. Then tenses, look, looked, is, was, see, saw, say, said, ask, asked. Then some one words are there. We already learned these words. You have to copy down them, okay? First one, moved from side to side, which is that? Wagged. Second one, put your arms round tightly, meaning hugged. Third one, road with houses on both sides, street. Fourth one, to break into pieces, burst. So you have to copy down all these notes into your notebook and write and study them in your rough book. Okay, you have to study them, the one words also, okay. So, thank you for being with me. Let's wind up today's class. Thank you.